Abena, Brony, ma, Abena, Brony, ma, Abena, Brony, ma, Brony, ma, Papa Kumasi go abroad. Or see you home, you want to me a war. Ni wa madane kwa. What I know fair, what do be now? Oh, Abra Wakona. He gave him a big tactical format. I sem nabe. Somebody wife us sem nabe. I feel I wanted. What the corners. What the corners. I wanted. What the corners. Abna.
Hello?
Yes.
Virtual, good afternoon.
Yeah, good afternoon.
I am here or Abena. Virtual, why are you busy, Anna? Me casa fast. I Mr. Na me say, me time ne ya beso. I want the time of Baba Suntinka, but I remember sending Miss Kakakana. Media to Akolana Honiema.
What's the time of Ben now? The owner was over to the club. A crab and a time of a son and the owner, a crab, my cousin Pawubia.
Are you come now, Miss Row? Almost a Miranda Quane, of course, it says so.
Father, my cousin, my many black and foul corner of my maybe a woman in a private owner. Baba, many black more Jimmy in Cassava. Hey, guy. What do you guys are calling for family sick or pass over them too much? Call with a coffee. No, I said, so challenging top of us with Mama. No, I said, what challenging top of us? Me Casama, your Jack, over Casama. Mr. Pippa, Mr. Boss, my man, Mr. Complaining, watching you. Who complaining me? Hey, come on, go find any place at all. And mommy move for. Now move for the point where mommy move for. Oh, how do you want to do it? I don't know. You want to be next year. It's no case to take them. Hey. Now we so busy, bro. And I will say I have to for me. Ha! Come on, guy. What's in the day? Et toi, papa? Mais c'est ma papa. Pour quoi ça se met à me quoi pour faire? Damn, on faut pas quoi bébé. Mais ça dit. Ah, on peut demander. Comment gars? Ah, on peut demander. On va se mettre à ça mia comment? Comment gars? On va mia comment? Ah, mais tu me mets ça comme tu n'as pas compris. Chef. Boss va me catcher. Oh, que ça vous moi. Boss va me catcher. Mais la papa. Boss va me catcher. Comment gars? Mais non, tu n'as pas capté. I don't need
Oh,
I can see you are happy too.
yeah. Now I'm really happy.
Yeah, how things going with you and Papa Kumasi?
Oh, it's nice, you know. We are writing every time we are calling. He also sent me pictures.
Really?
And, yeah.
Wow. Hey, today you are drinking Coke.
Yeah, today no smoke, no alcohol. I'm good.
Zisha?
Yeah, I'm really good.
That's a shame. Alish. I'm happy for you.
Yeah, I'm also really happy.
I'm happy. I hope he's a good guy.
Yeah.
Okay.
I think so. Let me show you. He has
have his
sent
pictures?
Yeah, he sent me some. Yeah, one is this.
Oh, wow.
Then the other one.
But he's handsome.
Yeah, of course. He's nice.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
That's nice.
We are writing the whole time. We are so happy, and he's so friendly to me. Like, yeah.
I told you.
Yeah.
That's why look more. Try it. Do you see now you are laughing?
Yeah, it's
I'm
true.
happy. I'm happy. Really, I'm happy.
Yeah, thank you also for you once again.
You're welcome.
Every time you listen and yeah.
You know, I told you I'll do everything.
All right. So what I want to ask you too is we are talking about like he want to come here and visit me. So I don't know.
So you want to bring him here?
Yeah.
Yeah, we can give him. You know, you are working. You know?
Yeah.
Yeah. So because in Ireland,
Okay.
here can be as in Ghana, yeah.
Yeah. It's
Okay. Because in Ireland, we give him invitation
Yeah.
for him to come. That would be better.
Okay. Und wie läuft es dann? Also
I will help you from tomorrow. We will go.
yeah.
Yeah, we will try it. Maybe you will.
Yeah. When I finish work, I come and pick you up. No?
Yeah,
can go.
then we prepare for his papers. You have to let him do passports and then we
Oh,
will
okay.
start it from
So it's a
there.
lot of things.
Not all that long because you are working and
Yeah.
do as fee feeding.
Okay.
You get a lot of money so you can
Yeah.
invite him.
Yeah. So like you know, I'm still scared, ne? Like I like him, but I'm scared.
Why?
So I don't know.
Why are you scared?
I don't know. Like I still want to try. Maybe we can test him.
Testing like how?
Maybe when he come here, he can go to your house a week or some days.
You want him to come to my house
Yeah.
first?
So you give him drink. You let him look how he's reacting.
So like you want to try that he's a good person
yeah.
and I should do it for him.
Because he's also from Ghana, so.
But you know, I don't know. You want him to know that I'm from Ghana.
I don't know. You can let him know, or you think not?
So you want we should try him. We should bring him into my house. Then
No.
we should pick him and bring him into my house
Yeah.
when he comes.
Yeah, maybe just some days, and then after that days we see how he is.
Okay.
He can come to me.
Maybe you'll be a good person, but don't worry, I will do that for you.
Yeah.
I'll
I
do
will
that
be
for
happy.
you. I have to talk to my guy first.
Yeah, of course.
And then every that's unfinished.
Yeah, I don't want any problems, so maybe
Oh,
you could-
no, with him I have no problem.
Yeah.
But we have to try, you know, this African, you know, he's not with you, he's far from you, so it's a very good idea. We can do that, yeah. Because I want everything for you, I'll do it.
Oh,
I want you to be happy, dear.
thank you.
But I'm happy for you, really.
Yeah,
That you
me
are
too.
drinking Coke. Wow. For so long.
I also don't believe it's still like.
Oh, but I'm happy. I'm happy. Yeah, I'm happy. So when are you talking to him again? Because I want to say hello anytime you call.
Oh, no problem.
Yeah?
Maybe we can call him now.
Later because I'm hungry.
You're
want to
hungry?
eat something, yeah.
Okay.
So you prepare. Oh, we should go and eat.
No, I
outside.
think we have to eat outside because I just came from work too.
Oh, okay. Then I'm taking you out.
Okay.
Yeah?
Okay.
Okay, let's go.
Abena, sorry. Ade. Kumasi wo so. Edi asema. Me Abena me katene ze menyem na Africa crab na ma utoma misga fantu takul aneni ma. Oso nka so pepe bi het me fa free na so no kate ko no. Ya no wate. Abena emane how. Emema de saa na minima buruchirefo mema ene Nigeria fo mema na Ghana ha fo mema de. Obi nyimo ya obaka kire ne se enya mia mire me nka se nya mia obi timi ka se me de me fa ba akopa se me fa half. Esusu na yo no jai. Maje won de ekwa bi a mefa so a metoto akwara ne no ma metoto niema akoti so no baba no abeto aso no. Saa ne meye ne ntika akoma to ye mo ate. Epo anim miano. Miano miano. Ebedu ba bi bo no oje akwara na agro. Nipa wo senye ono ano. Ubo hu ne nipa ko oje akwara na agro. Ye ko e ba no ko boni ti ano de ne ko. Ba ma no de ne ko e ba brin shop ne akoyi no. Enti jai. Enwe ne ho. Tore mi anko. Na fu me ya ade ade no. Me ye ho adwuma nyina. Ai.
Hey, how are you doing?
Wow, Papa, you look better than on your picture.
Oh, you also look good. I'm happy I'm talking to a white woman.
I'm also happy to talking to a Ghanaian chairman.
Wow. You look so pretty.
Thank you.
Wow. So you are home?
How was your day?
Oh, my day is okay. Oh, I am happy I am talking to you.
Oh, nice. Yeah, I'm home.
Oh, okay. I'm also at work.
Cooking something, yeah.
Oh, okay.
Wow, really?
Yes, as you can see, I am at work.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I'm at work. This is where I work. You see, as you can see, I'm at work. I'm just working. The internet cafe, yes, everything is here. This is the printer I print. Yeah, this is the printer. This is my drawer. This is everything, yes. This is where I work. Yes.
Oh, nice.
Yeah. So yeah, I'm happy I'm talking to you. So what we will do is I'm at work, so when I close and get to the house, then I call you so we talk.
Okay, but don't forget to call me.
I'll call you, yeah?
Alright.
Okay then, take care of yourself, bye.
This month,
That's a boss. I Ejumana yeah, they all check and I got to an Abena.
This month,
That's another farmer was then I say, we obey paid.
God. You know what country will be? What's the she downloads?
Already,
no, she made our Sunday. What's the name? I downloads yesterday. God, Charlie. Now, we use internet for personal business.
WhatsApp now.
What the phone WhatsApp now? What the phone?
WhatsApp my phone some
God. Say month this one boss. I can't say my account. I didn't young comfort man. Who do your personal this thing? And I was saying this in the mail. And then I don't remember I was anymore. Machine to say who said it? What is that? It is no. I don't know what we know as I don't know what because I was
na then now we are only more son than
make us say na
that's only make us say na was na
okay you used to be a juma. Who do you name? I didn't understand what's Abrafuma
I was so jealous. Abrafuma what is what? So I'm not Abrafuma chatting.
You should go to data.
Oh, you said you are put on a flow on the book. It will be a one data.
Sir, it was lost. No good better.
Lost way.
Okay, but who is the ball that you have any profit and loss? Where was that? Boss, man, what I know to know. What you should get the machine to say, we know, baby. Mr. It's
be a pan of the date and then I'm there.
Show him on there. Lock it out. Lock you out. Massa. Then I know that was Saturday. Now how we do was Saturday. No photo. I know ya. When I was from an old money. What's the matter? Jealous. And envy. Minibody back a son, body back as I tell ya. Minibody back at anybody back at tell ya. I feel like I'm going to be better. Don't tell you what now to me. I'm going to be better. Log out. This is logging them out. Logging me out. Log out. no. What's the password? Unlock it. Obo password and better so.
Ade, what's someone?
Me the password better so. Who tell you?
Hey, me ya do machine.
See me ya do.